Hello. Are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the character Sheila? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Sheila in the play and Inspector Calls. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Excited. Oh, Gerald, you've got it. It's the one you wanted me to have. The character is presented as submissive and young in the opening act. She only seems to be happy with the ring if it's the one that the character Gerald wanted her to have. Therefore, it's suggesting that she is not able to make up her own mind and be strong enough as an independent character. But these girls aren't cheap labour. They're people. The characters highlighting the working classes aren't merely tools to enable the rich to get richer. The declarative sentence demonstrates the character Sheila is being used by Priestley as a vehicle to present his views to the audience. It's the only time I've ever done anything like that, and I'll never do it again to anybody. Priestley highlights a sense of guilt the character now feels for her actions, suggesting to the audience that they should too feel the same way. The repetition of never reinforces how emphatic the character is and how regretful they are. Everybody knows about that horrible old Meg Arty. A girl I know had to see him at the town hall one afternoon, and she only escaped with a torn blouse. Priestley highlights that the character is not as innocent as she first seemed, whilst also highlighting that Alderman Meggerty abuses his power by abusing women. Everybody knows highlights that there are many things which are known which no one acts upon. Without acting upon it, things cannot change. Horrible highlights that the figure acts in a shocking manner, and once again highlights that it is the upper class who are acting in a disgraceful way. Horrified. No. Oh, horrible, horrible. How could she have killed herself? Unlike her father, the character Sheila shows a clear sense of regret at the event, seen through the repeated use of exclamation marks. The interrogative sentences also demonstrates the figure wishes to learn about Eva Smith, showing empathy. The point is, you don't seem to have learned anything. This quote highlights the message of the play. We need to learn from our mistakes if we are to avoid repeating them. And there's our context about the Second World War. The noun you highlights a sense of division that has now occurred within the family and society as a whole. Bitterly, I suppose we're all nice people now. This comment in Act 3 is a direct response to the respectable comments made earlier. They consider themselves to be honourable when they are in fact the opposite. So, great list of analysis, great selection of key quotations. You need to make sure you're creating great essays with this information. So good luck with your revision. Well done.